We're diving into the exciting world of drones with a closer look at one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the rumoured DJI Avata 3. While DJI hasn't officially announced this model yet, the buzz around it is huge, and we've gathered all the whispers and speculation to give you a sneak peek at what could be the next big thing in FPV drone technology. The DJI Avata 2 set the bar high with its impressive performance and features, but if the rumours are true, the Avata 3 is aiming to take things to a whole new level. With DJI's track record for innovation, it's no surprise that expectations are sky high. From pro videographers to hobbyist flyers, this new model could have something for everyone. One of the most exciting potential upgrades is the camera. The Avata 2 featured a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K 60 FPS HDR video. But the Avata 3 is rumoured to push the boundaries even further with a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. This could mean sharper images, richer colours, and significantly better performance in low-light conditions, perfect for capturing those cinematic shots. Battery life is crucial, especially for FPV pilots who want to make the most of their flights. The Avata 2 offered around 23 minutes of flight time, but advancements in battery tech might push the Avata 3 closer to the 30-minute mark. Plus, more efficient motors and enhanced power management could make a big difference for both recreational and professional users. When it comes to FPV drones, smooth footage is a must. The Avata 2's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady systems were impressive, but the Avata 3 might go even further. There's talk of enhanced electronic image stabilization, and possibly even a mechanical gimbal, something that could provide buttery smooth footage, even during high-speed maneuvers. Another rumoured feature is an upgraded obstacle avoidance system. The Avata 2 had limited detection, but the Avata 3 might introduce 360-degree obstacle detection. This would make the drone safer and easier to navigate, whether you're flying through dense forests or bustling urban environments. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned pilots. The Avata 2's O3 Plus transmission system already provided high-quality, low-latency live feeds. But if DJI introduces the rumoured O4 system, we could see even better resolution, reduced latency, and a longer transmission range. This would be a game-changer for anyone looking to push the limits of FPV flight. So, when can we expect to see the Avata 3 in action? While DJI hasn't set an official release date, industry insiders suggest a mid to late 2025 launch. DJI typically updates its drone lines every 1 to 2 years, so fingers crossed we won't have to wait too long. All in all, the DJI Avata 3 has the potential to be a major player in the FPV drone market. Whether you're a hobbyist craving immersive experiences or a professional filmmaker aiming for cinematic excellence, this drone might just be worth the hype. What do you think about the rumoured features? Are you as excited as we are? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more camera and tech content. Stay tuned for more updates as we keep an eye on DJI's latest innovations. Until next time, keep those drones flying high.